Hello my darling fans, today you join me from the YAHTZEE office, specifically this room in the office. It's thrilling, but the more interesting thing is that I think I have finally finished version 1 of YAHTZEE. You'll notice I've gotten rid of some of the zeros, and that's to make it a bit more obvious when you're using it, and you'll also notice that there's a bottom half now. And I think it all works. It only lets you click on things if you actually have a 3 of a kind or a 4 of a kind. Otherwise it's just like, gives you a 0. Well, you can click on it, but it gives you a 0. So I guess that's like if you want to take 0 on your YAHTZEE, you can do that. The only thing I think it still needs, except for being made to look less disgusting, is if you have 2 YAHTZEEs, are you allowed to use the second one on something else? I think the answer should maybe be yes, but I'm not, well, I don't know, maybe it should be no. I'm not 100% sure. So let me know what you think, please. I need feedback. I'm waiting for my subject matter expert to respond, but he seems to be a bit incapacitated in some other way. But yes, it still works. There you go, look, 3 of a kind, bosh. You know, it's all good, let's get a chance. There you go, calculates the score for you, puts in, you know, all the fixed scores as well. It's pretty groovy. My mind's a little bit blown that this all comes from just some words. Like, I typed in some words on a piece of paper, effectively, obviously in a computer, and then somehow I've got buttons that when I click them, they do things. Like, what is this witchcraft? What is this wizardry? I don't understand. Everything like updates itself. Look, oh, what's that? I want to keep a 5. Go crazy. You want to change that to some 6s? Groovy. Bosh. You know? Yeah, I don't know. So I guess there are some other things. I mean, it's just blowing my mind how all this stuff is done by words. But I guess there's some other things I'd maybe want to add, make it look a bit nicer, and then maybe some kind of like high score counter for like if you've played it more than once, but that seems a bit harder. I think my YAHTZEE game pretty self-contained. You can tell when you've finished because you don't have any more boxes to click on. Yeah, I think pretty good time had by all. Yeah, let me know if you think it's good or crap. I don't know. I had a good time doing it. I will update for the second YAHTZEE thing when instructed by my father and or the comment. But until then, I think this bad boy, he's done. So yeah, it's cool. Anyway, adios.